What's up, my lords? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can become an official low rider. You guys, this is how I start my day off. I start my day off with reading my Bible and meditating. Today is going to be a self-care day for me. And I was in Sally's today, and they had a deal on the Mael. I bought the shampoo, the conditioner, and some oil, and it was like $19 or something, but it was a pretty good deal. So I decided to say, let's make this a self-care day. So today I did just that. I'm shampooing my hair right now, you guys, and then I'm going to go to the conditioner. You guys, the shampoo felt fabulous, and oh my god, this conditioner, man, lovely. I love it. I will definitely be using this again. But right now, I'm going to start working on a wig that I made a long time ago. I wish I remember where I got the hair from, but I don't because it was so long ago. But the good thing about this hair is it doesn't shed. It still feels fabulous, you guys. It feels really, really good. Okay, my little warriors, I'm going to start curling the hair. But before I curl it, I like to put some Cheese Silk Infusion on it. And right now, you see me putting the wax stick on where my parting area is and where the edges are. And I'm going to put some Pump It Up on there. I like to do some old school stuff. Pump It Up always works for me. So with that being said, I'm going to press the edges down and where my part is. Get that nice and smooth out, you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm getting ready to curl her also. I don't know if I was going to leave her wavy, like super wavy like it was when I combed it, brushed it through, or if I was going to do a flat iron on it. So I decided to put some curls on the end, you guys. Y'all know my signature style. And I really could have worn the hair like it is. Look at the little wave pattern. It's a very loose wave. But nah, so let me put some curls in it. And I'm going to let you guys watch me curl. I don't have too much to say. But I will come back and say a couple of things to let you guys know why I'm curling it in a certain direction. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, you guys, when I got to the hair that's right by the ear, I start curling that back because I want those curls to go away from my face. So I curl that away from the face, which is going back. And as you see now, I'm taking the curls a little bit further down towards the ends instead of putting it halfway up. And with that being said, I do put the curling iron right there at the root to straighten it. It acts as a flat iron, and I bring it down so I don't have to flat iron and then curl it. That's the easier way to do it, and you save a whole lot of time. Now to the other side, and you'll see I'm curling that away from the face also. And just like that, I'm all done with my nails. Okay, you guys, now I'm about to install this wig that I curled for you guys earlier. So sit back and watch me install it. I don't know if I'm gonna glue it down. I think I'm gonna wear it glueless, you guys. I think I am. I'm not gonna put a net on or anything. So I don't know. It may be glueless. We shall see. Glueless. Am I gonna put any hairspray on or anything on the lace? Nah. Nah, I'm gonna leave it just like this. No baby hairs, no nothing. I am going to the curls. You see what I meant when I said I curled them going away from my face? And now I can just do the curls like this. And then these will go away from my face.